Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can download and install Adobe Lightroom. So in your web browser you can simply start by searching Adobe Lightroom download, and you're going to come down until you see this link, Lightroom Photo Editor Online Photoshop Lightroom. So what you're going to do is you're going to press on this, and once you press on this you will just wait for it to load, and you can see Lightroom downloader right here. Now if you use Mac you'll press on this, if you use Windows you'll press on this, and once you press on one of these your download will automatically start and you'll wait for it to complete installation. Now once it's finished downloading you'll open it, and this is where you'll see that you have an option for setup. So you'll press on setup, and now you'll press on extract all. You'll extract it where you want to extract. If you want to make this folder you can do that. If you want to add it in a specific folder you can press on browse and add it to a specific folder, and after you've done that you'll press on extract. Now you'll just wait for it to completely extract, and as you can see now you have an option for setup. After you've extracted it you can see it's different, so you'll just press on setup, and now once you do that you can start setting it up. Now you can see this Adobe Lightroom downloader installer, so you'll just let it load, and after that you'll follow the prompts in order to install it. Now you can see installation has already started, so you will just wait for this installing to complete. And now Lightroom has been successfully downloaded, as you can see, and now you can use it as you want to by pressing on begin. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.